Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to look at how to create a digit account. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. First, open the Digit app and tap Get Started. You're going to be asked to enter your phone number, so make sure to enter the number linked to your bank account for security. Next, Digit will send you a verification code via SMS. Go ahead and enter that code in the app to verify your phone number. Now you have to create a secure 4-digit PIN. This PIN will keep your account safe every time you open the app. Once you're done with that, Digit will guide you through linking your bank account. This is essential because Digit needs access to analyze your spendings and save money for you. Once your bank account is linked, your Digit account setup is complete. You are now ready to start saving smarter and stress-free. Stay tuned for the next video on how to link your bank accounts to Digit. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this one, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.